Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Pickers the Gaijin here, Jamaican YouTuber. I'm back with another reaction. In a minute, reacting to Ask Japanese is there racism and for foreigners and half Japanese in Japan. So let's, without further ado, let's get into this video here.
And when it came to me, for some reason, he was like trying to like kick me out of this store.
自分がハーフなのなんか経験の中にいいこととちょっと差別したのこととかあったかなってちょっと聞きたくて。
あれどうして日本語話せるのみたいなことは聞かれてたんですけど、
okay.
ありがとうございます。いや嬉しいです。ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。She
Really
just
good.
told me I'm pretty and she wanted to take pictures. And that makes Japan awesome. Hey guys and girls on Ask Japanese, it's your flashy fashion reporter, Kat the Cat, and today we're gonna go hit the streets of Tokyo and ask the foreigners here in Japan if they have experienced some sort of racism.
Of course they have.
Let's go find out and ask foreigners in
Liars if they haven't.
Japan. Alright, where are you from?
Right, I'm from Melbourne.
And why are you in Japan?
I came here for work, so
How long have you been here for now?
nearly a month.
Your first time?
No, I've been here 3 times.
I'm gonna be honest, you're like the ideal. You got like the light hair, the blue eyes, the tall,
Ideal.
good build. So, not quite sure, but have you ever experienced any race?
Ta-da! I have been saying it for many years. The ideal. What does it even mean? Yes, this is the ideal build for Japan. If you want to move to Japan, this is the build you need to have a seamless life. You get all the girls, all the men want to be like you because you're cool and etc. Yeah, I mean, this she said it herself, and she's not even Japanese, so.
Racism in Japan.
Yes, surprisingly.
Surprisingly.
I was at a pet shop in Kobe, and I was with a Japanese friend, and there was an old guy who was like inviting people in to like hold and play with the pets. And when it came to me, for some reason, he was like trying to like kick me out of this store.
Oh!
Yeah, it was like this bad vibe, and he was staring me out the whole time. And then my friend was like, "Oh, don't worry about him. Let's just go to another place." And I was like, "What's up with him?" And he's like, "Oh, he probably just thinks, I don't know, you're like American or something." So yeah, that was, I guess you could say that's discrimination, but yeah.
It's interesting how
You know, there's a lot to unpack in all of how they expressed themselves a while ago. Surprisingly, because you don't expect white people to be discriminated against. They didn't expect that to happen, you know. And the reaction of the Japanese friend is typical of Japanese. Instead of trying to fix or confront the problem, they just leave it alone or go away from it, circle around the issue for another time. Yeah, this is pretty much the life cycle of life in Japan.
those moments stay with you. You know what I mean? Like it
does,
could have
yeah.
curled off, but you still remember it.
Yeah, I mean, I came here expecting some people to be like that, but it is what it is.
Did you had any other incidents though?
Maybe some people would mistake me for like an American or something at first, so it happens. So, yeah.
Is that a good or a bad thing, or just a thing?
I guess it can be bad. I mean, if they don't like Americans for some reason, but yeah, I'm not sure.
Oh, because of Japan's history,
Yeah,
kind of.
yeah, yeah. But at the end of the day, who cares? I mean, those people are kind of losers, right? So
People who are like,
Yeah.
who racist people are losers.
mostly Oji-san, so
Oh,
yeah.
older people.
yeah.
Have you had actually a moment when you're like, I'm glad I'm a foreigner moment in the Japan? I have the feeling you might have some advantages there.
Yeah, probably when I like forget about like some social rules. It's like Nihongo
Yeah.
wakarimasen.
二人とも
Yeah, so back to the history. If you don't know, Japan was bound by America in retaliation to Pearl Harbor thing, apparently. But they love Americans generally, Japanese. They want to speak American English. They want their children to have the American accent. I mean, they learn American lingo. Hip hop is predominantly from America, although it was invented by a Jamaican. Do your research. Yeah, so
なんかせっかく美人のハーフさんがいるんで、ちょっとそれについて聞いても大丈夫ですか？二人ともハーフなんですので、自分はハーフだのなんか経験の中にいいこととちょっと差別したのこととかあったかなってちょっと聞きたくて、私の友達はドイツ人のハーフで結構差別あったよって言われてたんだけど、自分はどうだったんですか？
いや私逆に恵まれてるかな。なんかいいなってなんか興味を持ってくれる人も結構いるので、フランスって言っちゃうともうそのイメージ文化で綺麗でなんかロマンチックみたいな街でみたいなことが多いので、いや逆にあんまり差別にはあったことないかな。はい。
逆に恵まれてる。
そうですよね。なんかそれがプラスになるっていう感じ。
Alright, fair enough.
私はやっぱ名古屋育ちで、名古屋ってあんまり
愛知
他のハーフがいなかったんで、まあちょっと孤独感はありましたね。であとはそうですね、差別なんか深刻な差別とかではないんですけど、まあちょっと仲間に入れてもらえない感はありましたね。
学校の時とか？
そうですね。まあでも今もこうやってモデルとして働かせていただいてたりするんで、であとまあそうですね、憧れとかはありますね。そういうのはいいことかなって思ったりしてます。
じゃあやっぱ学校乗り越えないといけないって感じですか？
まあでもそんな今
時代が変わったかな。
そうですね。
今どんどんハーフも増えてきたので、昔はねどうして日本語話せるのみたいなことは聞かれてたんですけど、今はなんか普通に私が日本語理解できるっていうのがあればなんかじゃあハーフなんですよねみたいなことが、昔はあれみたいな、ちょっとどこから来たのみたいな見られてたんですけど、今はなんか普通にね、あんまり違和感はないかな、逆に。
じゃあ前はあったってことは何年前とか？
いや小さい頃かな。
ちょっとやっぱりおじちゃんおばちゃんがちょっと驚いてた、あらみたいな。
どうして日本語話せるのみたいな。
得してるところも分かってるんですけど、両方言ってほしいのはハーフで損したことと得したことを教えてください。
私は、日本育ちで英語をちょっと自分で勉強、しなきゃいけなかったんで、その英語の勉強に時間費やしてた分、その日本語がちょっと微妙なところがあったりするんで、そこですかね。
一緒かな。私はもうずっとフランスに住んでたので、なんか日本語で私大丈夫なのかなって自分の自信もなんか持ってないところがあったので、そうですよね。それがなんか今でも大丈夫かなってちゃんと理解できてるかなっていう部分があるので、そうですよね。そこは、ハーフとしてなんかフランス語も話せる、日本語も話せるけど、どっちが本当に 100% 完璧だから分かんなくなっちゃうみたいなところが、あるので。
じゃあ得してることは？
得してることは、同じことかもしれないですね。2カ国語話せること、日本では結構大きいことなんで、それを使って仕事とかにつけたりもできるかなって将来思ってるんで、はい。
あとは文化の違いね、分かるっていうのは大切なことで、いろんな人となんか友達にもなれるし、なんか人との関係が良くなるっていう感じかな。
文化理解ができてるかなって思います。
Right, not so much racism, but maybe some stereotypes is what some people have to fight with. A lot of people will just generally assume that you are maybe from America. That seems to be a thing. Even I got that.
Yeah, that's all I know.
Another thing is...
Yeah, that's all I know. American. All right, watch more of this. Alright, so yeah, as I've been saying to you guys, a lot of it is a lot of Japan knows foreigners relate to Americans and they feel that Americans are it, and I mean it is what it is at the end of the day. As I said to you, don't knock people's or don't question the veracity of people's experiences if you have never experienced something like this. Of course, I find there's a lot of discrimination in Japan for different reasons and different platforms and through different media. and especially the banks. We have to do a video about the banks alone by itself, but yeah, it's crazy out there. If you like these type of videos, make sure to respond in the comments down below what you want me to react to next. Follow me on Instagram where I do short form content, and join the Patreon if you want to see exclusive behind the scenes vlogs, etc. All right, peace. I'm out. Biggest guy in Jamaican YouTuber, Ikema Show.